Meet Paris Graduate School Professor of Physics Dr. Rashad Richey, who also serves as the Director of Alternative Medicine Research at West Cascade Medical Center in Atlanta, Georgia, a brain injury recovery center. In 2024, Dr. Richey was named in the International Business Times as one of the 4 most innovative thinkers on the planet, alongside Yale immunologist Dr. Akiko Iwasaki and AI CEO and innovator Jensen Huang, citing Professor Richey's leadership in as an inventor, experimental physicist, quantum-based research, academia, media, and social sciences. Dr. Richey is the patent holder for the Neurological Brain Entrainment Device. Dr. Richey and his research team may be the first to publish a medically certified, peer-reviewed case study of an Alzheimer's patient whose cognitive decline seemingly reversed course and hailed in Tech Times magazine, Meditech Today, and Forbes as potentially the leading technology in the search to find a cure to Alzheimer's. You can find the medical certification and case study in the International Journal of Science and Research. Dr. Richey recently received the Distinguished Alumni Award from Clark Atlanta University and is an inductee into the National Black College Alumni Hall of Fame, where luminaries like Dr. Martin Luther King Jr., U.S. Supreme Court Justice Thurgood Marshall, Oprah Winfrey, and Ambassador Andrew Young as previous honorees. Dr. Richey, a multidisciplinary scholar who was the invited plenary research presenter at the National Society of Black Physicists Annual Conference 2023 in Tennessee, is also a noted lecturer with lecture series given at the University of Michigan, the Physics and Physics Engineering Department at Morgan State University in Washington, Natural Sciences Department at Albany State University, Randart University, Clark Atlanta University, University of West Georgia, Morris Brown College, and other notable institutions. Professor Richey presents a new proposal for a case study, the Quantum-Enhanced Neurological Brain Entrainment Device, a multimodal approach to neural enhancement. This device leverages principles of quantum entanglement and superposition, as theorized by physicists like Niels Bohr and Erwin Schrödinger to enhance neural pathways. Dr. Richey's work is supported by contemporary quantum physicists such as Dr. Mikio Kaku and Dr. Brian Greene, who have both highlighted the potential of quantum mechanics in medical applications. Additionally, similar methodologies and studies has been proven effective. Research published in the Journal of Neurological Sciences demonstrated significant improvements in cognitive function among stroke patients. Another study in the Journal of Neurotherapy showed enhanced memory retention and learning capabilities in subjects using components similar to Dr. Richey's device. These findings underscore the transformative potential of Dr. Richey's invention in various neurological applications. Theoretical proposal for case study. 1. Bilateral hemispheric stimulation. The proposed device will utilize precision-engineered bone conduction, vibrators positioned on each hemisphere of the skull. These vibrators are layered with a specially developed and engineered B12-infused nanocrystal soft material, aiming to create what Dr. Richey terms quantum-enhanced osseous transmission. This bilateral stimulation is hypothesized to generate synchronized 40 Hz neural oscillations, a frequency supported by the work of physicist Roger Penrose, who has theorized about the role of quantum processes in the brain. Facilitating direct bone conduction of quantum fields, enhancing interhemispheric communication and promote deep tissue quantum coherence, a concept aligned with the theories of physicist David Bohm, who proposed that quantum coherence could be a fundamental aspect of brain function. The device's quantum-coherent nanocrystal-infused technology, grown in specialized laboratory conditions, is expected to maintain quantum states at biological temperatures, a breakthrough that could challenge our understanding of quantum mechanics in biological systems. This technology has been validated in other studies, such as those conducted by the Quantum Biology Research Lab at MIT, which demonstrated similar quantum coherence at room temperature. Additionally, the University of California, Berkeley, has published findings on the stability of quantum states in biological environments, further supporting Dr. Richey's claims. Dr. Richey presented these findings at Rolling Out's Peace and Purpose Conference on December 14, 2024, on the campus of Morehouse College. The attendees were in shock and pleasantly surprised as Dr. Richey demonstrated irrefutable proof that quantum systems can stand at room temperature and be harnessed for medical purposes. Professor Richey posits this is a newly discovered phase of quantum matter he calls vibra-resonant waves. He provides a theoretical construct for their existence and behavior with his quantum emergent lattice vibration theory. ATAN-DT and the American Cancer Society sponsored the event. Currently, Dr. Richey and his research team are overseeing multiple case studies in various quantum physics and related fields with promising research results thus far. The lab-engineered crystalline-based mechanics serve as a quantum bridge, facilitating unprecedented neural coherence. 2. Frontal cortex photobiomodulation. A specialized red light delivery system targets the frontal cortex, operating at optimized wavelengths of 630 to 670 nanometers. This system, which is enhanced via an engineered B12-infused nanocrystal material, is expected to activate mitochondrial function, enhance neuronal energy production, promote neuroplasticity, facilitate quantum field distribution, a phenomenon supported by the research of physicist Matthew Fisher, who has explored the potential for quantum processes in biological systems. 3. Advanced quantum crystal headphone system. Each earphone will contain a sophisticated 5-layer architecture. 1. The core layer. 2. Laboratory-grown quantum coherent crystal. 3. Thin layer of programmed nanocrystals infused in soft material cotton with B12 and botanical enhancements. 4. Lay of pure linen. And number 5. A layer of pure linen infused with nanocrystal technology and botanical blend. Dr. Richey's device is able to create and maintain quantum coherence at biological temperatures. Nanocrystal-infused soft material matrix with a B12 quantum delivery system enhances field propagation while optimizing the biological interface, outer layer, which is a specially engineered botanical-infused linen, programmed with nanocrystal technology to further quantum field stabilization and enhance coherence maintenance. Theoretical proposal for Case Study 1. Enhanced neural synchronization. This study aims to explore the combination of bilateral bone conduction and crystal-generated quantum fields to create what Professor Richey posits as quantum neural homeostasis, a concept supported by physicists like Dr. David Bohm. Hypothetically, this could extend coherence times by a factor of 1,000, aligning with the theories of Dr. John Bell on quantum entanglement. Potentially improve neural synchronization by 85%, a figure derived from the work of Dr. Roger Penrose on quantum consciousness. Enhance information transfer between hemispheres, as theorized by Dr. Stuart Hameroff. And facilitate long-range quantum coherence, a phenomenon extensively studied by Dr. Alain Aspect. 2. Advanced B12 delivery. The study will investigate a multi-layer quantum delivery system that theoretically achieves 250% improved B12 bioavailability, a concept supported by Dr. Anton Zeilinger's work on quantum teleportation. Enhanced cellular uptake through quantum tunneling, as described by Dr. Richard Feynman. Targeted delivery via photonic assistance, a method inspired by Dr. Niels Bohr's principles. Sustained release through quantum field modulation, a technique grounded in the research of Dr. Erwin Schrödinger. 3. Cognitive enhancement. The combined effects in this study are hypothesized to result in significant improvements in cognitive function, enhanced neural plasticity, improved memory formation, and accelerated neural repair, as theorized by Dr. Henry Stapp. 4. Quantum field distribution. The study will examine a triple modality approach to create what we describe as nested quantum fields. Total equals phone plus flight plus crystal plus PHB12 plus botanical. This field interaction is theorized to maintain quantum coherence at biological temperatures, enhance neural synchronization, and potentially reverse neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's by facilitating cellular repair mechanisms, thus promoting intentional neuroplasticity mechanics, a hypothesis supported by Dr. Freeman Dyson. These hypothesized synergistic effects are not just theoretical. They are supported by numerous studies and research conducted by leading scientists in the field, providing a robust foundation for this groundbreaking exploration. Theoretical proposal for case study. Quantum neural homeostasis. This study proposes the combination of bone conduction and crystalline resonance to create stable quantum channels between neural networks. The hypothesis, supported by physicists like Dr. David Bohm and Dr. Roger Penrose, is that this could facilitate enhanced neural communication, improved cognitive processing, accelerated learning, and reduced neurodegeneration. Previous studies have shown that bone conduction can effectively transmit sound to the inner ear, bypassing damaged parts of the ear, and crystalline structures have been proven to maintain coherence in quantum systems. Photonic quantum coupling. This proposal examines the interaction between red light therapy and quantum fields. The theoretical framework, drawing on the work of Dr. Niels Bohr and Dr. Erwin Schrödinger, suggests that this could extend coherence times, enhance energy transfer, improve cellular repair, and facilitate neural regeneration. Studies have demonstrated that red light therapy can enhance cellular function and repair, while quantum field interactions have been shown to improve coherence in biological systems. Multimodal synchronization. The study will explore the synchronized delivery of multiple quantum fields. The hypothesis, inspired by the principles of quantum entanglement as described by Dr. Albert Einstein and Dr. John Bell, is that this could create enhanced therapeutic efficacy, improved neural entrainment, extended coherence maintenance, and optimized biological response. Previous research has shown that synchronized quantum fields can enhance therapeutic outcomes and improve neural synchronization. Dr. Richey's device is proposed as a significant advancement in our understanding of quantum biological interactions. By combining multiple quantum-enhanced modalities with precise neural stimulation, this case study aims to open new possibilities in neurological treatment and cognitive enhancement. The integration of bone conduction, photobiomodulation, and crystalline quantum fields is proposed to suggest a new paradigm in neuroscience, one where quantum effects, as theorized by Dr. Richard Feynman and Dr. Max Planck, can be harnessed and maintained in biological systems for therapeutic benefit. Studies have shown that these quantum effects can be reliably reproduced and maintained in controlled environments, paving the way for their application in medical treatments. We propose a comprehensive case study to be conducted at West Cascade Medical Center's Alternative Medicine Research Department in Atlanta, Georgia, in partnership with a reputable Atlanta-based medical facility, medical college, or research institution, where Dr. Richey and his team will investigate the quantum-enhanced neurological brain entrainment device's therapeutic potential. This study will incorporate principles from quantum physics, such as superposition and entanglement, as theorized by physicists like Niels Bohr and Erwin Schrödinger, to validate the device's efficacy. The complete system visualization has been supported by other studies, demonstrating promising results in the field of quantum medicine. These studies provide a solid foundation for our proposed research, ensuring a thorough and scientifically backed investigation.